Hello students, I am Vijay Patil and in today's session we will learn about Surya Namaskar. The name Surya Namaskar means Surya means sun and Namaskar means prayer. It consists of 12 asanas. The first asana is Pranam Masana. How to do it? We should stand at our mat, keep our feet together and distribute the whole weight on foot equally. Our chest should be open and shoulders should be relaxed. Breathe in, lift your arms and join the palms together in prayer position in front of our chest. The second is Hastan Uttan Asana. For doing this, we should breathe in, lift our arms up and back. Make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make effort to stretch your whole body, starting from the heels to the fingertips. Now, the third asana is Hasta Padasana. For doing this, we should breathe out and bend forward from your waist while keeping our spine straight. Exhale and completely bring your hands down to the floor beside your feet. Now the fourth asana is Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Breathe in and push your right leg as far as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look up. Now the fifth position is Dandasana or the plank pose or stick pose. For doing this, we need to breathe in and take our left leg back. Bring your whole body in a straight line like a plank. That's why it is also known as plank pose. Now the sixth asana is Ashtatanga Namaskara. For doing this, gradually bring your knees down to the floor, then exhale. Slightly take your hip back and slide forward. Relax your chest and chin on ground. Elevate your posteriors a little bit. Now the seventh pose is Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. It should be done by slide forward and raise your chest up into the Cobra pose. Keep your elbows bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulders away from your ears and slowly look up. Now the eighth position is Adha Mukha Savana, downward facing dog position. We can do this by breathing out and lifting our hips as well as our tailbone up. We should put our chest downwards to create an inverted V pose. This pose is also known as the mountain pose. Now the ninth pose is Ashwa Sanchalana. We need to breathe in, bring our right foot forward in between the two hands. We should bring our left knee down to the ground. Then press our hips down and look up. Now the tenth asana is same as the third asana, Hasta Padmasana. We should do this by breathing out and bringing our left foot forward and then keeping our palms on ground. This can be done. You can bend your knees if you feel discomfort. Now the 11th pose is Hasta Uttan Asana. We should do this by breathing in, rolling our spine up. We should make our hands go up and bend backwards. Push your hips slightly outwards. And the last pose, which is Pranamasana, is the same as the first one. Hope you would have understood all the 12 different asanas of Surya Namaskar. Now I will show you all the asanas continuously. Please observe and do carefully. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this was Surya Namaskar for today's session. Hope you would have enjoyed. Thank you.